Hi, my name is Nuha Faizun and my matrix number is 2310435543. I am going to present my analysis of dataset showing the output of 3 machines in a factory. I am working with R software and I'm going to use it to analyze the data number 95. What is R? R is a powerful programming language and environment specifically designed for statistical computing and graphics. It is intensively used by statisticians, data analysis, and researchers for its robust capabilities in data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. In my assignment, I am utilizing R to analyze and visualize the test dataset, which includes reading from 3 machines in a factory. R's comprehensive suite of statistical and graphical tools make it ideal for processing complex datasets, generating insightful analysis, and creating high-quality visual representation of the data. With its strong data handling capabilities and support from a large and active community, R is an invaluable tool for extracting meaningful insight from our data. Next, control chart for machine 1, 2, and 3. All of these charts using constant pressure and temperature, which is 200 kPa and 300 K respectively. For machine 1, the graph I obtained when input the data on R give UCL and LCF value of 55.7 and 47. The reading of mean value for machine is 51.37, while the standard deviation is 1.46. For machine 2, the R program obtained the UCL value of 51.49 and the LCL value is 48.75. The center of graph is 50.12 and the standard deviation is 0.456. Next, for machine 3, I got the value of UCL 53.6 and the LCL is 48.7. The center of the graph is 58.84 and the standard deviation is 0.95. Moving next, I'm going to discuss about process capability analysis that using ANOVA calculation in R. First, the graph of process capability for machine 1 is positive skewer and it doesn't meet the specification limit since the graph is exceeded the USL value. The value of CP is 1.14, less than the minimum limit, which is 1.33. So it doesn't meet the specification, but the CPK is 1.35 more than 1.33 and it is meet the specification limit. Moving to machine 2, shows that it's slightly positive skewer and still in the range of USL and LSL value. That means the machine 2 meet the specification limit. This can be proved by the value of CP of 3.65 and CPK is 3.56 and both do meet the specification limit because it exceeds the minimum limit 1.33. Lastly, for machine 3, the graph I obtained is positive skewer and also meet the specification limit, which is 1.8 and 1.5 respectively. The value of CP and CPK for this machine is lower than machine 2. Lastly, I'm going through analysis of resistance using ANOVA calculation. For machine 1, the resistance for the pressure is 0.75. The temperature is 0.94, while the resistance for pressure temperature is 0.57. The values show that the P, T, and P times T are significant because they are exceeded the amount of 0.05. For machine 2, the R program gives the value of resistance for the pressure amount of 0.19, while the resistance for the temperature is 0.68, and lastly the resistance for pressure times temperature is 0.90. So since the value of P, T and P times T is more than 0.05, so they are significant. The resistance for the pressure of machine 3 is 0.38. The resistance for the temperature is 0.56. And the resistance for pressure times temperature, we got 0.54. All the P, T, and P times T is significant because they are exceed the value of 0.05. From the analysis discussion, machine 2 is the best to meet the specified target because it has the highest CP and CPK value and also the lowest standard deviation value. The amount of CP and CPK determine the quality of one's performance. And that's all from me.